In this video, I will talk about a quick method to know the hybridization of every atom here. So the way is by knowing the domain number of electrons. So what is the domain electron? As in previous videos, I say that the domain electron is lone pairs, the number of lone pairs plus the number of attached atoms. Alright, so let's just have a look here. This carbon, what is the domain number of this carbon, the domain electron? You can see this one atom bond here, 2, 3, 4. So the hybridization here will be sp3. Let's just see here. We have one bond here and another attached atom here. So we have two attached atoms here and no lone pairs, so it will be just two. So it is sp. This is the hybridization here. And what is here? Here is also as this. So this will be sp. So this is the hybridization of the carbon, this atom carbon. Let's just see in this carbon how many attached atoms do we have here. So this is one atom and this is another atom, this is third atom, and we don't have any lone pairs, so the hybridization here is sp2. Alright, let's move to this nitrogen. This nitrogen is attached with 3 atoms. 1, 2, 3. Does this nitrogen has any lone pairs? Yes, it should be here one lone pair, but I didn't put a lone pair here to make a notice for you. This have one lone pair, so one lone pair plus 3 attached atoms, so we will have 4 domain electron number, so it will be sp3. This is the hybridization of this nitrogen.